I would like to introduce Bengaluru city is the capital of South Indian state of Karnataka. It has a population of 8.42 million, located on the Deccan Plateau at a height over 900 meter above sea level and is known for its pleasant climate throughout the year. My walk is from the Trinity Circle to UB City, which is the heart of the city. Duke Peru Trinity is a 15-story high-rise building. Its occupants are office spaces which have been rented out. I do work on the fifth floor. Opposite to the building is Trinity Circle, which is one of the busiest crossroads, and the surroundings area are home for more offices and shopping mall. As I walk along the Trinity Road, this space is home for financial district hub of banks and many more office spaces and restaurant. This is known as a employment region and there are no residential spaces around. Opposite to the financial district hub, we can walk into the luxury Oberoi Hotel. Nested in lush tropical grounds and equipped with the latest in technology, is built around the 120-year-old rain tree that sits at its center, the jewel of the hotel's vast garden. May Hall is a stone and a mortar structure. The towering hall is situated next to the public utility building. It lies on a hill and offers a panoramic view of the parade ground. It is now a home to numerous departments of Bengaluru Mahanagara Palika. Bengaluru aerial view from MG Road Utility Building. This is Bengaluru's central business district. The public utility building with its 25-story all-in-one shopping complex that houses variety of business and commercial space. It stands at 106 meters and was built 24 years ago. Mahatma Gandhi Road is also called as MG Road and it is one of the busiest road. It's lined on one side with retail stores, food outlets, restaurant. It has many office buildings, shops, theaters. It has its own metro rail station, which is called as Bengaluru Metro Station. Covering a distance of 11.2 miles, it's partly elevated, partly underground. Metro trains are Wi-Fi enabled, the first metro in India to have the feature, so passengers can use laptop, tablets as well as mobile internet. On the opposite lane of MG Road, there are more retail chain stores, restaurant, pubs, coffee house, bookshops are plenty in number. It is also home to a large number of old and modern commercial building. Movie theaters do show the local language, Hindi, English films. Bricket Road is one of the biggest commercial centers and busiest shopping center. Retail outlets of international brands. Asia's third most expensive street, it has also been a New Year celebration hub in the city for many years. The South Indian state of Karnataka is known for its handicraft industry and its unique traditional masterpiece. To ensure the state's rich tradition is preserved, developed, and promoted, the government of Karnataka established Kaveri Handicraft Emporium. The sandalwood and rosewood are grown in abundance in Karnataka, which has led to sandalwood carving and intricate rosewood inlay work. Age-old tradition have been kept alive by passing guarded technique from generation to generation. Here are a few fine examples of the carving and the inlays. Bangaluru's Chinnaswamy Stadium is world's first solar-powered cricket ground. This year's edition of Indian Premier League is played here. The Karnataka State Cricket Association has commissioned a 400 kilowatt of solar plant to power the entire stadium except for high-intensity floodlights. The famous pub and bar restaurant Hard Rock Cafe is a rock and roll themed chain with a high energy vibe serving burgers and American classic open courtyard as well as Hard Rock Signatures retail rock shop. World Trade Center in Bangalore, infrastructure available is designed to meet all requirements of visiting business members within a single location. They receive active participation from local business community, government, and overseas international trade groups. It is recognized as a platform to exchange ideas and opportunities. With a total built up area of 16 lakh square foot, UB City is completed by UB Tower, which is the tallest structure in Karnataka, measuring a height of 123 meter. Each of these blocks stand out of their distinctive look while yet combining to produce the feel of a city. Highlights of UB City include 800-seater amphitheatre, internationally famed Oakwood served residence, along with a day spa, is a home to various cuisines ranging from Italian to Chinese, apart from Indian and Japanese options too. Shiro's is one of the beautiful restaurants I've visited so far, with breathtaking ambience and classy decor. It's well known for Japanese, Korean, Vietnam, Chinese, Thai cuisine. We go there to unwind some great music paired with drinks and great food. I love walking through MG Road as the city traffic comes to a halt and the crowd and noise have almost reduced. Enjoy the walk through the breeze and such a pleasant night, as the city is called Garden City, which is so true to its name. Time to head back home as I leave you through the memory lane of my city, Bangalore. I have enjoyed my journey. Hope you did too. I love Bangalore for its climate, gardens, parks, natural lakes, architectural landmarks, shopping malls, best restaurants, and pubs in this part of the globe. Thank you for watching my video.